G'day mates, I know you're all sick to death of this shit, but we will persevere. Philips leader signed off on sale of respiratory devices despite evidence of health risks. October 30th, 2023. Philips CEO Roy Jakobs approved the sale of respiratory devices despite having evidence that the machines posed health risks to users, according to a report by the Pittsburgh Post-Gazette and ProPublica. And they're doing some fantastic journalism. I'll put some links in the description down below, including a link to this very article. The publications reported that Jakobs, who led Philips's connected care unit before becoming CEO in October 2022, approved the sale of the machines held by distributors after the company stopped shipping new devices. Let me break this down for you. So old mate Jakobs, he's the one responsible for this mess. He was the man in charge looking after the CPAP unit, the connected care unit, when shit hit the fan, right? He's the guy in charge. And poor old Frans van Riekel, he was CEO for a long time, over there in the Netherlands, selling razor blades. He gets thrown under the bus, right? Someone's got to take the fall. And who do the board of directors put in charge of the entire company? Roy. He's running the CPAP business. Biggest medical device recall in history. Promotion. Give that man a promotion. Anyway, old mate Roy, he puts a pause on the sale of these machines to all the resellers. Yeah, all the distributors, the clinics and so on. Bob calls up from the clinics. Hey Roy, we need some new Dream stations. Sorry mate, I can't sell you any because we're about to do a recall. Bob goes, well, we better not sell them to the customers. Roy goes, nah, she'll be right, mate. Carry on. That's what happened there, which is just disgraceful. And that gives you a great insight into the character of that man that they just made CEO. And you can see straight through him, can't you? One look at him and you can just see what he's like with his fancy suit. The latest Pittsburgh Post-Gazette and ProPublica report follows a court hearing in Pittsburgh. According to the article, Philips lawyers argue that the parent company should be shielded from claims brought by users of the respiratory devices. The argument rests on the claim that the US subsidiary Philips Respironics is responsible for the situation. Philips isn't responsible. Old mate Frans didn't know what was going on. The US subsidiary, Philips Respironics. You see what they do there? These big companies, they just break their companies up into all these little ones. So when shit hits the fan, but it wasn't us. It was the subsidiary. Blame it on the subsidiary. Well, who was in charge of that subsidiary? Roy, and now he's the CEO. So I don't think that's going to cut it, is it? Anyway, I have been leaked some footage from inside a Philips manufacturing plant. And,
Michael, one day all this will be yours.
This?
See this junker? Paid $100 for it. She's got 120,000 miles on her. Transmission shot, bumpers have fallen off. What do I do with her? I sell her. We really should weld these bumpers on, but that takes time, equipment, money. So, we use super glue instead. Go ahead, put it on there.
Won't it fall off?
Definitely.
Isn't that dangerous?
Not to me, okay? Transmission. The sawdust quiets the gears and lets the engine run as sweet as a nut for a couple of miles.
Daddy, that's cheating.
Of course it's cheating. Two-directional drill. You run it backwards, the numbers go down.
Cool.
Roy, you're a crook.
What?
This is illegal.
Yeah, keep drilling. Do you make money? Do you have a job?
No, but don't people need good CPAPs, Dad? Can't you sell good CPAPs?
Listen, you little wiseacre. I'm smart, you're dumb. I'm big, you're little. I'm right, you're wrong. And there's nothing you can do about it. Whoa. Ah. Way down there. I will not be the figure of ridicule. I want respect, and I want it now. Oh.
Still don't see how you glued your head on, Harry. Baby, wait a minute. I'm getting it now. I'm getting it. One more. Okay.